Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. The warm weather is here and finger foods are something we tend to eat more often, like hot dogs, burgers, and others, as well as appetizers like dips, bruschetta, wings, chicken nuggets, and many more. When it comes to dips, I have a few delicious ones, including this popular Mexican recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pico de gallo. If you've never made it from scratch, you'll be surprised how tasty it is compared to the ones from the store. It's an easy recipe packed with flavor, and you can make it as mild or spicy as you wish. So my friends, let's get cooking.
These are all the beautiful ingredients we'll need to make it. There's lime, garlic, fresh oregano, and why not? Then cilantro, of course, a few tomatoes, white onion, jalapeno peppers, and tequila. So let's start with the tomatoes. We'll cut them in half, remove the stigma, which is this part right here, and to prevent our salsa from getting too wet, we'll remove the pulp and the seeds. So we'll cut around the inside edge of the fruit, and what I like to use is my grapefruit spoon, because with its sharp edge, it makes the task easier to scoop up the inside of the tomato. See, it's that fast. Then we'll chop them into small pieces, not too big, so we can scoop the salsa with tortilla chips. Now, this is what I prefer to use. It's a great gadget, especially when it's time to dice ingredients finely. It makes it even, plus it's much faster than doing it by hand. Do they pay me for saying that? Of course not, but I wish they would. Anyway, as I said, it's fast and it does a nice job. Plus the price is reasonable. Look at this. It's all even. So when we're done chopping by hand or using a gadget like mine, we'll transfer them to a medium bowl. To this, we'll add white onions and give a quick stir before adding jalapeno peppers, also chopped with my kitchen toy. An ingredient I'm adding that is not found in a traditional pico de gallo is sweet banana pepper. Just because we've been growing some, and it adds a nice flavor to the sauce. But don't go out of your way to buy it. It's optional. We'll also add pressed garlic, fresh chopped cilantro, then some oregano, and a little bit of ground cumin. I love that spice. We'll mix the ingredients until well combined. Next, we'll add freshly squeezed lime juice and tequila. It's not your typical pico de gallo, but trust me guys, the flavors are awesome. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir again, and before we chill it for a few hours, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. And what's the best way than using a tortilla chip? We'll cover and transfer to the fridge for at least 3 hours, so there's time for the flavors to develop. And my friends, this is our pico de gallo. Very easy to make. This is a tasty recipe to enjoy this summer. With a delicious twist, this Mexican classic is sure to become one of your favorites. Forget the ones from the store and make this fresh homemade version instead. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!